Students in this cluster may study electives such as physical fitness and health skills, sports science and coaching basics, wellness and lifestyle education, basic human anatomy, and health promotion. These subjects help students understand how the human body functions, how exercise affects health, and how proper nutrition and lifestyle choices contribute to overall well-being. Many learning activities in this cluster involve physical training, sports performance analysis, fitness program design, and health education projects. This experience helps students develop both physical abilities and knowledge related to health and fitness. This cluster prepares students for college programs such as physical education, sports science, exercise science, physical therapy, occupational therapy, public health, and health education. Career opportunities may include fitness trainers, sport coaches, physical therapists, health educators, athletic trainers, and wellness consultants. The students who enjoy sports, physical activity, coaching, or promoting healthy living may find this cluster highly engaging and rewarding. By studying sports, science, and health-related subjects, students in this cluster gain the knowledge and skills needed to support individual and community health and wellness.